Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll unbox the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro 5G smartphone. Powered by the flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, Mi 10T Pro offers extreme power efficiency, performance and 5G connectivity. For 5G, it supports both NSA and SA networks. In terms of gaming, users will experience smoother gameplay thanks to the Qualcomm Adreno 650 GPU. Loading of games and applications will be much faster with its UFS 3.1 and LPDDR5 on board. Mi T10 Pro comes with a 144Hz display which has automatically matches the content's frame rate. Mi 10T Pro isn't stingy with battery. It comes with a 5000 mAh battery to keep you online for more than 24 hours. Get it charged up to 100% with its 33-watt charger within an hour. The Mi 10T Pro is big in the camera department. The phone comes with triple camera at the rear. With the 108 megapixel camera from Samsung, it takes clear photos with OIS and also supports 8K video recording. In addition, there is a 13 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera and a 5 megapixel macro camera and a 20 megapixel front camera for your selfies. Show off your creativity with fun to use the dynamic photographic enhancements like the 6 different long exposure modes, moving crowd, star trails, photo clones, time burst feature and 3 new filters like cyberpunk, gold vibes and black ice. Enjoy dual video, recording from both back and front cameras at the same time. In addition to this, Xiaomi AI Skyscaping 3.0 lets you turn your boring landscape photos into life, turn your gloomy skyline into a sunny day or a snow scene. Add all this including fireworks to photos taken on the phone or from your other phones. Now let's take a look at some of the photos and videos shot using the Mi 10T Pro. On the left, the picture is taken using the Google Pixel 3 XL at 12 megapixel, and on the right, the picture is taken using the Mi 10T Pro at 27 megapixel. Both pictures are taken using the 4:3 ratio. Now if you observe the pictures, the photo taken on the Mi 10T Pro exhibits more details, and you can see from the shot that it's also brighter. Next, we took the same shot at Orchard Road using wide angle, 1 times, 2 times, 5 times, 10 times and 30 times digital zoom. The digital zoom at 5x and 10x looks pretty decent, but 30x looks a bit blurry. Next, we test the video stabilization of both handphones, the Google Pixel 3 XL and the Mi 10T Pro. The Pixel 3 XL can only be set at 4K 30 frames per second, while the Mi 10T Pro is set at 4K 60 frames per second. The Mi 10T Pro is able to do a better job than the Pixel in this case, as we can see a more stable picture being recorded as compared to the Pixel. One of the most interesting features on this phone is AI Skyscaping 3.0. AI Skyscaping 3.0 is an image processing filter which can replace the sky of your image with special effects. You can transform photos with a skyline into different scenes like sunny, cloudy, sunset, etc. You can also add fireworks to your pictures. For more details, please read our online review at http://en.ocworkbench.com. Do remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share out our contents.